Hi everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video. I'm actually extending to also do tech. Tanushka, my cat, stop, okay. I'm also extending to do some tech. Action cameras are a big part of outdoors in my YouTube channel, so I started to cover a video about it. Pretty cool, anyway. Here's the best action camera, GoPro DJI or Osmo Action 3. And if you just want to stop the video right here and know what's better, it's actually GoPro. But here's the stats. Before we continue, please click that subscribe button, also comment if you want. And if you do subscribe, I really recommend clicking that notification bell. You don't need to do any of that. I recommend doing that though. To help the channel. If you don't want, that's totally fine, like I always say. But let's get to the video.
Make sure to hit that subscribe button.
So first of all, what's better? Well, let's go to Insta 360. So Insta 360 is a camera. It has it's basically a remote with a screen on it and two lenses on each side. Brain, let's say, takes those two cameras and turns it into 360, means all around, up, down, this way, all around. So yeah. So there's a long thing that extends out to like 10 feet. You can have it way up in the air, and you can hold it up like that, and the camera will be way up there, and it eliminates the handle, so the stick attachment, extendable thing. It eliminates that, so you don't see it in the video. So here's an example of what it looks like. It sometimes not always looks like this. As you can see, he's holding the camera up there with the extendable attachment, but it doesn't show the extendable attachment. That's basically what I mean. But it's actually 360, so all around. And most editing softwares only allow you to pick a part of the 360, like take a square of that right there. Takes you a little. You have to take a little frame of it, and you can only take that part of the video and have it go that way, part of that part of the video. If you understand what I mean, or you could just have a fully free 360 and upload it as a YouTube video. If you know what I mean. If you don't, I'd say Insta 360s are about $500. Something like that. It's my estimation. I don't know much about them, but they're actually pretty good. And I think it shoots 5.6K 360 all around. Pretty cool. Now let's go to DJI. So DJI is basically a cheaper GoPro, and it uses a magnet to attach its attachment. It's not as strong as the GoPro's attachment. It's weaker and lower resolution, and I think it's 4K 60 FPS. Maybe you could upper the FPS a little bit. I honestly don't know. And I think it's waterproof, I don't know, actually, but it's mini screen, you could actually tap on, unlike the GoPros, which GoPros, that's fine, you don't need to tap on the main screen, just reach your hand over and tap on the main screen, but still, yeah, pretty cool. Doesn't really do 360 all around, but really cheap, and it's $330, and it's basically for people that want to spend less money, have a lower quality video, and it's basically a lower quality GoPro. And now let's go to the GoPro. So GoPro is actually the best action camera, if you didn't know. The newer ones are getting better, and the Max allows you to do 350. Allows you to do 360 all around in one camera, I think. It's probably a little bit of different 360. I don't know much about that, but it does do 5.6K, which is basically a really, really good 4K, or like a really, really low resolution 8K, which is not fully 8K, but it is better than 4K, if you know what I mean. So it's in the middle. But so yeah, it's $400 the Max. There's other GoPros, like the 8 probably is $300, maybe $400. The newer ones are like $450. The newest one's probably like $500. Sometimes you get it for $400 as well. But yeah, Max is older technology, but the technology is really good, and it's better than a lot of GoPros. So I think GoPro would be the best action camera out there. Costs a little extra money, stronger, more waterproof, basically 3 times better than some of the action cameras we already have out there. But yeah, pretty cool. See you guys in another awesome video. And let me know which action camera is your favorite. If you don't want to, that's totally fine. You comment if you can. Maybe the comments are in it enabled. Sorry. I have to talk fast. Anyway, see you guys in another video. Peace.